Hello guys and welcome to another video where today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make tic-tac-toe game, or as we call it, the XO game on Scratch. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the Scratch official web and I'm gonna start by making these sprites. So instead of making a backdrop, I'm gonna make a sprite. I'm pretty sure you didn't understand what I said. So instead of making the XO lines in a backdrop, I'm gonna make them in a sprite. So it's gonna turn out like this. Okay, so this is our sprite, first sprite. Next we're gonna make the X and the O. I'm gonna make a new sprite and search for the X, which should be right around here. Yeah, there it is. Our X. Okay, so next we're gonna go to costumes and color it. For example, I'm gonna choose red. Red. And there we go. So next we're gonna make the O. And it's gonna be in the same sprite. And I repeat, the same sprite, not a new one. So we're gonna click on the other button and we're gonna make our O. So I'm gonna fast forward to it and it's gonna turn out like this. So now we have our X and O. Next we're gonna make a black square because we're gonna need it later. We're gonna duplicate the X and change the sprite to a black square. So I'm gonna fast forward to it and it's gonna turn out like this. So we're pretty much done with our sprites. Next we're gonna move on to the most important part, the code. So of course, as always, we're gonna start with the events when green flag is clicked. Next we're gonna go to looks and choose height. And from the same category, which is looks, we're gonna choose switch costume to. Oh, and yeah, I forgot that we need to change our sprites names. So for example, I'm gonna name the X sprite X, the black square sprite black square, and the O sprite to O. So after we're done, we're gonna return to the coding again, and we're coding our X and Y sprites, okay, not the backdrop sprites. So we're gonna switch costume to O, then we're gonna go to control and repeat until. Okay, so next we're gonna move on to operators to fill the repeat until. So we're gonna choose blank or blank. Then we're gonna fill it with blank equals 50 two times. So it's gonna be blank equals 50 or blank equals 50. So like this. It's really kind of hard to fill it in mobile, so it's gonna take some time. So after we're done, we're gonna put it in the repeat until, and then we're gonna go to looks and choose costume name. Hold on, where is it? Costume, yeah, right there. Costume, and instead of number we're gonna choose it to name, and we're gonna do the same to the other one. And instead of 50, we're gonna change it to O and X, like this. O and X, or X and O, it's the same. O. Next, we're gonna return back to control. Sorry, it kind of was really hard to take control of it right here. So we're gonna go to control and we're gonna choose if blank then. And we're gonna fill it with, we're gonna move on to sensing and choose touching mouse pointer. Touching mouse pointer? Hold on, where is it? Touching mouse pointer. Oh, there it is. Oh no, wait, it's the key pressed. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, there it is. Touching mouse pointer. And next, we're gonna go to looks and choose switch costume to. And we're gonna switch it to X. And we're gonna stay on looks and choose a show. Like this. Okay, so next we're gonna pretty much do the same. So we're gonna duplicate this, the if and then. We're gonna duplicate it and put it in the repeat until and change the second one. So instead of switching costume to X, we're gonna switch it to O. Okay, so I had to do some changes. So I changed the names of these sprites. So the O became button O and the X became button X. So right now we have our O right here. And we're gonna duplicate it 9 times. So I'm gonna fast forward to it. So they're gonna turn out like this. Next we're gonna have to arrange them. Like this. So now we have them arranged and we're gonna click on the green flag to start our coding. And we're gonna start clicking in the squares. Okay, so this is pretty much good. So this is just a simple game that you can just play with your friends when you don't have anything to do, but I don't have any friends, so I'll just play it alone. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our channel for more tutorial videos, and peace.